Welcome to episode number 5 of Kickstart with Kirtan. So in this episode, we are going to discuss about the lot of quick money opportunities which are happening online, right? Like drop shipping, internet marketing, network marketing, various just make money from thin air kind of opportunities and lot of things. Like if we can actually make money so easily, then people have asked this question, sir, why to build skills, why to build profile, why to build systems, investing so much of time there, right? Say we are going to discuss about that, and we are going to discuss also about mentor shopping. Like what is happening is that you see something, you buy there, you see another thing, you buy there, and like there are a lot of n number of range of courses, and then the completion rate of that is going to be none or very, very less, right? And there are few people ask this question in this episode about, so what is that specifically that I need to be doing when I have this confusion of, few people say, so keep taking action, never expect the result, and few people will say, have a goal, have that expectation, take action. Like which one to choose and how do we deal about this? All of this is going to be discussed in this episode number 5. It's going to be really awesome episode, and as a special for the episode number 5, I have something special for those people who take action. What is that special? The special is something here, right? So I have something called as a very important book that has been authored over a year right now, called as X Money Secrets, which is a bestseller. It has literally changed many people's life in many ways, and this is where there are 21 secrets that have been written. This is actually a book, I wrote it for myself in order to make sure that what are the best principles and practices that I have learned from the best of the millionaires and multimillionaires, right? So this is an amazing book that I'm going to give away in this particular episode for those of you who are going to stay till the end, and I'm going to make you do certain things by which you can actually claim your gift, right? So this is going to be awesome. I'm also giving away this week in this episode about a superhero program. So this program covers closer to 13 different modules, which actually has lot of value in terms of how can you develop your superhero career, how can you launch that. This is an amazing 3 hours program, and we have X Money Secrets resource guide, right? So this is where you're going to have lot of value in terms of every secret that whatever you see. So how this can be really beneficial on a day-to-day basis, how you can actually get through that, right? So there are a lot of things that will be coming in the future as well. This is going to be really awesome episode. I want you to stay till the end. Let's make this episode beautiful. So Deepti is going to be the voice of the episode. Let's get started.
This is Pratik from Karka. There are a lot of people who teach how to make money quickly doing drop shipping, selling things online or network marketing, etc. If it is so easy, then why to build skills and build real system doing lots of hard work and investing lots of time?
Okay, amazing question, Pratik. So this is where many people either can get into a distraction, or sometimes they might get it as a direction, or sometimes it is like you hit somewhere and it hits someplace and then you say that it's my goal and I reached it and stuff like that. See, what is actually very important thing that as an observation you might have actually experienced this, that whether you go to Instagram today, Facebook today, any other social platforms, so you see 4 posts and then you immediately see a sponsored ad, right? So 3 posts, 4 posts, sponsored ad. And this is actually either selling you a tool, could be like video editing software or another tool or another software, or it could be selling you a course by somebody, could be on sales, on quick money opportunities like drop shipping, network marketing, or anything, or somewhere it is actually targeting you based on your interest, whatever you are interested in. There are a lot of things which are coming on like arts lovers, celebrity schools, and various other different types of programs which are actually running. So this is my opinion, right? So when you are having a lot of opportunities, right? So sometimes you get in something called as shining object syndrome, which means that you see something shining here, you run there, and then you think this is not it, then you do something else, this is not it, you do something else, this is not it. And in the journey, you are actually getting frustrated more and more, and you are becoming desperate, right? So desperate to achieve something. Like if it is money for you, then I'm telling you, money does not work that way. So because in my recent journeys, like in my initial journeys from 2014, so if I see, like during that time when I actually started with my mentors, so one thing that I'm very, very clear from that time to this time is that nobody on this planet Earth who have become financially successful started their journey just because for the sake of money, right? Money is one important thing, but it is not everything, right? And many people have started just with money, and they have made everything as money, and they have lost their game very soon. It is either going to be one or the other case. Either you are going to have one as money, and along with that you have various other purpose to that, then it can drive longer. If it is just money, this is it, then you will not see long-term game of that. Like you might have seen it in Wolf of Wall Street, right? So just money, 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 and you know what happened at the end, right? So it's very important for you to understand, or whoever is actually watching this, that like, so should I choose network marketing? People just say, I made lakhs together in just couple of months, and this happened, that happened. Basically, this is my experience, and this is what I have asked, and this is the experience that I have got from my mentors, is that not all the vehicle is for everybody. One thing that what you have to understand, it's not all the vehicle is for you. And there is no wrong or harm in actually trying a vehicle, right? It could be drop shipping, it could be Amazon affiliate marketing, or it should be internet marketing, it should be network marketing, it should be starting your own venture. But if somebody says to you that this is just like you can get it in like few months time or few days time, I think you should actually ask their previous experience, like what were they doing before, or what were their experience. Because what happens is that many people just look into the end results and jump into it saying that yes, I can be like making millions just in couple of months, right? It's not true, right? Because they will be having past proven results of doing something else, failed, tried multiple things, did not work, they found the best practices from each of them, and then they jump into this, it works, bam, because they have already worked on that patterns. And people do not understand these patterns, and then they think, okay, let me go. It could be on anything, right? So one thing that what you have to understand, life requires experience, life requires perception, life requires you to receive many more things, and there is nothing wrong in doing that. But one thing is very clear, you might end up losing a lot of time, lot of energy, lot of money, lot of resources. In order to avoid that, you need to have one mentor. Otherwise, you are becoming a researcher here. You try and go with Amazon. You try and go with, like, think about it. Like, if we were to become our own doctors today, like, okay, I get a disease right now. Like, if I get a disease right now, if I have to go into pharmaceutical and I have to experiment this and see what works for me, what type of drugs works for me, like, if I get into this, then my life becomes chaotic, because I do not know what am I doing. And that's exactly how many youths are getting into that distraction path. So what do? We go to an expert who is a doctor, right? And the doctor exactly knows, like he diagnoses you, right? So he understands you, and then he prescribes you, this is one thing, you can actually try it out. And then you go back, implement that, bam, 2-3 days, you get yourself recovered back into normal. Then you trust that mentor, right? And you take actions upon that. That's exactly the process should be. Like if you randomly keep on going in random directions, then randomness have never taken anybody to a super awesome destination. Like for example, let's consider you start from this place and you want to go to that destination, and in this journey you keep on changing your direction here, there, you will be lost, right? And that is a very important message that I want to give it for those people who are listening here, because I know for sure a lot of young people are listening to this. So when I say about these kinds of opportunity, I would suggest you that get a mentor first who genuinely cares about you and who also tells you the truth that hey, you are just in this particular phase right now. And when I say mentor, somebody who have done all of this in various different levels. They might have succeeded in that, they might have failed in that and stuff like that, but they understand you as a person. Like for example, I'll tell you a couple of things. Like people come and ask me, sir, I'm an introvert, I don't feel like communicating, I don't I don't like to work with people, I am just a lonely, shy, but I'm interested in computers, technologies and stuff like that. You can work on a technological skill, or you can work on trading and investing. That does not require you communication skill, that does not require you leadership skills. People come in for KP investing school and they are like, sir, this is really crazy for me, right? So because they actually love investing and trading, right? So they actually go forward with that journey, that works for them, right? There are few people who are like, I want to do KP investing school because that's an amazing vehicle that I want to have in my number of systems that I'm going to develop, right? So they are going to understand, and it's a journey, right? It's not just like this, you make it happen. And few people really make it happen really big because they also had some previous experiences of failures that allows them not to do many more mistakes, right? See, we cannot say like if we have to compete two people, right? So somebody who is completely starting from beginning of cycling and somebody who knows cycling, but now I train them, both of them, to become competitive cycling champions, then definitely the person who is already having the experience is going to do it faster. But it cannot be said that somebody is going to start from scratch is going to do it exactly like that. He might say, I'm going to start this championship completely from scratch, but he has the experience of riding the bicycle, right? So that also we need to keep in mind that, okay, anything that is actually happening, it requires the previous experiences and previous failures. And nobody has become ever successful without failures. Failure is part and parcel of the journey. And if you do not accept failures, and if you're just about quick thing, that adrenaline happening within you saying that I want it right now, right here, right away, like this, slowly this will fade away and get into the downgraded level. And that's what worries me. When people get into various opportunities, they try out, does not work, try out, does not work, try out, does not work, they give up. And when you give up, that's a self-suicide, right? So that should not happen with the youths. Like, you explore different opportunities. And one more thing that what I have seen in people is that they work and get into this quick money opportunities to certain level and they get stuck because they do not see the vision. There is no purpose, there is no strong why, and they feel that they regret that journey of building so many things, but they never focused on the future. They only focused on the present money, right now, right away, right? So that is not giving them the kind of recognition they want, or the kind of respect they want, or the kind of fulfillment they need, or the kind of impact that they can have for generations together. That is not happening because I just thought me selling certain stuffs online could make me money. You could make money, but that is not impacting a lot more people's life. So I usually say people who want to actually try out any opportunities to focus on 4 important questions. I think you might actually seen this, like I have done a YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, then you can actually see this particular video somewhere around here. I will send the link where you can click on it. How to choose your career as a student, right? So there are 4 important questions to ask, like me doing this, will it actually help me individually grow? Can I keep on improving that whatever I am doing, right? And will it make an impact in the society? If your answer is yes for this, then it will definitely make an income as well, right? So that's exactly the approach should be, and that is when you will be able to have clarity and mastery over this. Otherwise, you will just get into all the kind of distractions and your focus is diluted, and the moment focus is diluted, you think this is working, this is not working and stuff like that. You will be completely into total distraction. That is dangerous, right? So what can you do? You can have exposure to all of this and try a couple of things, and if you think that it's not working, say to yourself, yes, this is not the perfect vehicle for me. Like when you go into a shoe center, right? Like you try out various different size shoes which is suitable for you, and in that journey you might lose money, right? Like for example, in the course buying this, that. So in order to avoid that, have one mentor. So that's going to save a lot of time. Go in that direction, go in that path, and trust in the mentor, trust in the universe, trust in the process, trust in yourself, take action. And only once you trust it, go full on. Once you trust it, go full on with that, right? So that is what it is going to actually change a lot of things in your life as well. I hope that you understand that right now, right? So that is a very important decision that you need to take in your life, that once I move forward with one thing, like for example, I'll tell you, couple of people do this mistake. They do drop shipping, they make a couple of money, and then they get stuck. They get that plateau. And when they get that plateau, they think, oh, drop shipping is not good. Let me go and do affiliate marketing, or let me go and start my own website and create some products there, digital courses there. They get a plateau there, then this is not for me. They do something else. And these are not feeding to each other also. These are all various different apart things, and then everything goes flat, right? So that should not happen. So if you are building any system, try to make sure that these are feeding to each other. And for your question about like why to build skills and I'll tell you, anything you want to build, drop shipping, Amazon affiliate, anything, it's a skill, right? You got to learn like social media ads, you need to learn e-commerce, you need to learn website development, you need to learn so many things, email campaigning, you need to learn list building, you need to learn how to create a landing page, so many things. But still it's, I do not know, like few people might make you look easy, but success really requires hard work, right? So if it was easy, everybody would be successful by now, right? So if like it's a cakewalk, you just do this, you get it, then why are we having so many people on the planet Earth who are actually in poverty? We could have taught everybody that drop shipping. They could be really super awesome and rich, right? So but that's not the case. The vehicle is going to be suitable for different types of people, different caliber kind of people, different experiences of people. Actually helps people to build it in various different ways, right? So I hope that you have actually understood this question and answer, and I hope that I'm able to serve you in this particular way. So let's go to the next question, Deepti.
Yes, sir. This is Kirtana from Tumkur. People ask us to do our work and not expect for fruit. They are byproduct. At the same time, people even say keep goals and work hard for same. What is the difference between expectation and goals?
Amazing question, Kirtana. So this is where a normal confusion comes for many people. So few people will tell you have a goal, have dreams, have vision board, everything, and go for it, right? So take massive actions on that. Like it feels like to you saying that it's like an expectation you are setting. But few people say no, so just focus on actions, never focus on results, never get attached to the results, right? So keep taking actions. Like people say karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadashana, which means that you focus on your karma, action, and do not focus on results. But to the fact, one thing that what you have to understand, these two are not different things. You see these two hands are not two different things. It's two combined together can do wonderful things, right? So these two are same, but in a different forms, right? Like I'll give you an example so that you'll understand. When somebody is telling you as a mentors or coaches telling you set goals, have a dream, have a vision, what they are trying to actually help you understand is the bigger picture, right? And bigger picture is very essential as a compelling goal for you to move towards that action. Like otherwise, if I tell you like move over there, move over here, move over here, you will feel in that journey like very dull, but you might take action. Like that is like only taking action without expectation, right? You do it, you do it, you do it like this. This is one side, that doing. Why it's been said like this, that context you have to understand, which means that sometimes what will happen is that people are too much in the dreams, goals, that they forget moving. Like for example, you are in Tumkur, let's consider, and I start telling you there is something called as Bangalore bus stand, and then there is something like this, there is something like that, then there is Wonderla, then there is this, then there is a mall, this has this. Like if I keep on telling you, you are in that dream mode and you are in total attachment and you forget where you are right now, right? That should not happen, which means that the end objective here is that you sit and understand, I want to go to Bangalore. I know how exciting it is. Like It might be exciting to you, it may not be exciting to you. That's up to you. But I'm just giving an example of a goal, right? So, of a dream. But choose a place which is exciting. It could be Manali for you, or it could be Ladakh for you, right? It could be anything. That's your favorite spot, right? And now focus on the journey. Now this side of the game, like this side of the game is about that vision and casting the vision. The next thing is that taking action. Yes, these are the routes that I need to be taking forward. This is exactly, and this journey you are going to enjoy. Otherwise, if you're like, oh, that has not happened yet, that has not happened yet, I do not know when it is going to come. I like why I should actually go through this, right? Like for example, in the journey of you moving from your Tumkur place to Ladakh, you might actually find out lot of challenging situation. It does not matter. You enjoy that because there is a compelling vision at the end. If there is no compelling vision, right, it's not an expectation. Are you understanding? It's a destination that you want to reach, right? But if you really make this journey beautiful along with the destination, you can enjoy both, right? And that's the beauty of that. But expectation, sometimes what people have it is, I have moved so far, Ladakh should come here only. No, Ladakh will be there in that place. Like you have to qualify yourself for that. Like for example, few people will be like, sir, I have a dream of becoming a millionaire, but I'm working, but it is not happening. No, you did not get yourself to that level. See, because see, which comes first? Millionaire, you becoming a millionaire comes first, or success comes first? You becoming successful, then millionaire happens. It's not you make money and success happens. No, you become successful so that money happens to you. Right? This is a very important fundamental distinction. I'll tell you repeatedly again so that you'll understand. What comes first? Money comes first or success comes first? Success comes first so that money follows success. Right? Which means success means what? Your ability to handle the surroundings around you in a much more ease and much more proficiency and much more capacity and capabilities with more competence. And only then you have evolved yourself, and then everything starts following it. Right? And many people think that everything should happen. Like you cannot see Ladakh in Tumkur, right? I just want to see Ladakh right now. I'm expecting. And people say, forget about that. Keep moving. And they just tell you the right direction of Ladakh. They will not tell you just going in the direction you will see Ladakh. Right? But they'll tell you this is exactly, keep going forward, you will get it. Is it not a right way also? Like for example, there are two ways. Okay, one way is that a flower, let's consider you go to a nursery, and there are two types by which he can actually inspire you. One way by which he can inspire you is he can show you the pictures of how this flower looks like, what is its fragrance, what is the benefit of this particular flower, everything, and you enjoy it, right? And then he immediately gives you a black seed. And then you're like, what? This seed can become that beautiful? You cannot imagine that, right? At that time, sometimes what nursery people do it is that they do not even tell you. Just go and sow this. Do not expect anything. Do not even worry about what will happen, because he knows what is that you want, what is your expectation. Just go and sow it. You put full into that, and wonderful things will happen. Now what you will do? Every single day, without any expectation, you are doing. Whatever is the best, that will come out. Right? And that's the two different approach. That's it. There's nothing. You can involve these both things and make this journey of life wonderful. It's not just the Ladakh, it's not just the journey, it's overall everything. Right? That's going to make it really, really beautiful. I hope that you understand these two are not different things, these are the same thing. But approaches are actually taken in a different ways in different scenarios for the kinds of people during that time. Like few people require that end destination, an end hook, so that they are very inspired in the journey to move towards that direction. Few people are like, you tell me, sir, I'll do this, and something great things happen within them and around them as well. So these are the two approaches for goals also, right? So, or achieving something in your life as well, right? So I hope that you have, it has answered your question, and look forward to answering as many questions as possible. We are seeing pouring in of lot of number of questions. We'll be answering that in the coming episodes. And as a gift for this particular episode number 5, we have something really, really special as promised. So we have the book here, X Money Secrets and Superhero Program, and we have X Money Secrets guide. So what I'm going to do is that, so what I want you to do right now is that, so like it, comment it, and subscribe to the channel if you are watching this on YouTube, if you are watching this on Facebook or any other place. So come back to YouTube channel, subscribe it, and comment it here, the best lessons that you have learned so far in all the 5 episodes, right? All the 5 episodes that you have watched. So share out your best lessons, okay? So what I'm going to do is that for the best lesson, okay, of this particular week of all the 5 episodes, so since this is the 5th episode, kind of an anniversary, right? So we are going to do something really special. So it inspires me to do more of this, and it inspires you to ask more of these questions. So I'm going to give this particular thing for that, and it's going to be a signed copy of me signing this and sending it to your doorstep. Our team will contact you with the winner. And the second thing, like, keep sharing your best lessons, and this is going to be a unique copy because you might have already have this book, but I will be signing this, and I'll be writing certain things about you in this and sending this to you, right? So this is going to be really awesome. And the second thing is that, so this is an amazing program. A lot of you are my students. If you are my students, like, there are a lot more content is being added to this, as well as the version 2, version 3 of this. You're going to get this as a bonus, right, if you actually win this. So in order to win this, what is that you need to be doing, right? So what I would suggest to you is that, so go on to social media channels like Kirtan Prabhu page on FB, right? So like the page, and also try to comment your best lessons in FB. For FB winner, we are going to give this. For the YouTube winner, we are going to give this particular thing for you. And this is something I'm going to give it to those people. I randomly is going to select people from the comments or from the likes or from the subscription. I'm going to just give away this amazing gift as well, right? So lot more gifts. Like, if you love gifts, then type it down, I love gifts, in the comment box. Type it down, I love gifts, so that I'll be keep on giving more and more gifts in the coming episodes. That's going to be really awesome. Look forward to see you in the next episode. Till then, okay, so if you have questions, ask your questions to 81472304777. Never miss that. We'll be keep coming in to inspire you and help you take your game to the next level.